Welcome to the first ever virtual Camporee. Organizing team of 55th Colombo Camporee welcome all Cub Scouts, Rovers and Scout Masters and Mistresses and Kakelas to register with 55th Colombo Camporee 2020. To register yourself, you need to visit camporee.colomboscouts.lk. Click register now to register yourself. To start registering yourself, you need to select the Scout section you belongs to. Make sure you select the correct section. Let me show you how to register yourself as a Scout. Click I am a Scout. Read all the given informations and there will be 4 steps which will elaborate the measures of the Scout registrations. So you need to go through and learn about safe from harm. Click the video and learn about the safe from harm in Scouting. So once you complete watching the video, you may click I have watched and understood this video. So once you clicked it, you will be requested to learn about the cyber safety. Go through and read all the informations and click I have read and understood the cyber safety. Once you clicked it, you will be requested to complete the questionnaire which is given below. You may check your scores by clicking check my score. So once you completed scoring 4 out of 4, you can proceed to the next step. There you will be given the measures of COVID-19 safety. You are requested to go through the video and click I have watched and understood this video. You will be taken through a questionnaire and you are expected to answer the questions. Once you answer the questions, you may check your scores. If you scored 4 out of 4, you may proceed to the next step. Here, you will be given the Camporee Code of Conduct. Read carefully these details and click I have read and understood the Code of Conduct. Meantime, the digital tools which will be mostly used during the Camporee. Go through the videos and educate yourself. So once you go through it, click proceed to next step. Here you will be taken through fields to complete the registration. So you are requested to complete all the fields which are mentioned as mandatory. Provide all the details, and if you do not have a registration number, please leave the field blank. And you are requested to create your own login details for Camporee portal. Camporee portal will be launched at the opening ceremony, and which you will be able to do all your activities at the Camporee portal. You are expected to provide us with email address, a personal email address and a parent's email address. If you do not have a personal email address, you may use the parent's email address to the personal email address, and you may click these phrases. You have to agree to these phrases and click submit.